Welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to create an amazing 3D origami vase easily and quickly. With no special skills or experience required, you'll be able to master this art in just a few minutes. In this video you will learn how to easily create any of these vases and what you'll need for it. The differences between these vases lie in their top part, specifically in the direction in which the upper edges of the vase face. I used 20 3D origami modules in each row because I wanted to use two colors that would alternate in a special pattern, forming the desired design. If you want a different pattern, you should calculate the required number of modules in advance. After completing the first two rows and connecting them into a ring, you can assess whether the width of the vase is sufficient for you. It's important to note that in this video the base of the vase is narrower than the middle part, so the initial two rows will have a wider width compared to the subsequent rows. Now I will show you the basic steps of forming the first rows. When folding a large number of modules in the first two rows, it can be difficult to hold them in your hand. That's why I'm showing you an alternative method of folding the modules in your hand or placing them on the table and doing the same thing. When you are finished, make sure that your two rows have an equal number of modules in each row and then connect them into a ring like this. The first two rows are done. Each unit in a new row stitches together two units from the previous row. Pay attention to how I alternate the colors if you want to replicate this pattern. You should repeat the same steps for all subsequent rows. To give the base of the vase a rounded shape, we compress it in our hands, bringing the modules closer together. A vase with the top edges pointing inward is ready. If your goal is a vase with edges pointing vertically upward, I will now show you how to install the modules in the following rows. A vase with the top edges pointing vertically is ready. To ensure that the edges of the vase are facing outward, install the modules as follows. We have successfully created a simple and beautiful vase. This vase can be a wonderful decoration for your home or a gift for your loved ones. Thank you for joining us.